Today, we'll be reviewing and testing this powerful device to see how it compares to its competitors and how it performs in real-world scenarios. The Baseus 100W GaN 3 desktop power adapter comes with a double plastic wrapped adapter, power cable, USB, stickers, user manual, warranty card, and a unique snake-like design. With 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, this adapter stands out for its versatility and efficiency. The USB-C ports support a wide range of power delivery modes, including a programmable power supply mode. The USB-A ports are compatible with fast charging protocols, making it a great choice for charging multiple devices at once. With a safety listing for the US and Canada market through ETL and the DOE E6 efficiency mark, this power adapter is not only powerful but also safe and reliable. During our testing, we found that the Baseus 100W GaN 3 adhered to DOE 6 efficiency requirements, with low idle power consumption and power factor correction in all modes. It can deliver up to 108 watts before safely shutting down, making it a top choice for continuous use. Compared to its competitors, the Baseus 100W GaN 3 ranks high in power quality and efficiency. Its stable performance, power factor correction, and low idle power consumption make it an ideal choice for everyday use. In conclusion, the Baseus 100W GaN 3 desktop power adapter is a reliable and efficient choice for those who need a versatile and powerful charging solution. With its safety certifications, high efficiency, and excellent performance, this adapter is a strong contender in the market. Upgrade your charging experience with the Baseus 100W GaN 3 desktop power adapter, the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and reliability. Get yours today and experience the difference. Baseus, powering your world.